Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shoaib and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Shoaib Honey with the purpose of reshaping your career, reshaping your future. Guys, this video is again in the series of refusals. And as in my last video, I have discussed already about the refusal reason. Number one and the topmost is about your finance. That because of your lack of finance, insufficient finance, or the improper documents, or not justification given by you about the long or the big transactions, huge amount, the visa normally get refused. Today, I'll give you another options or the tip to get your visa 100% done is your alternative source of finance, or what documents or what you can do so that you can make immigration officer 100% sure and believe that yes, you are coming for study, you got money and you are serious about that. You are not showing your bank statement only by drinking money from here and there from your uncle or friends or here and there, and you're just dumping your money. But literally, you have money and you are coming for study and you are not going to be the burden on the state. So, this thing, what you can do is you can buy an educational bond, which used to be called a screw account, used to run by pay to study. But now the pay to study has changed by the name of TransferMate by making it more secure. What you do, you just buy, you deposit your 10,000 euro in secure funds by purchasing your education bond, making immigration officer understand that yes, you're really coming for study and you got at least first year's cost to support you, and you're not going to be burdened, you are not going to apply for social or this and that, or you are not coming here for the film marriages. And in the same video, I'm going to show you some other refusals as well, because some of the students, they got refusal. One of the case come to me to make the appeal. This student literally got all the objection, and the most important is about the finance. He has got the financial objection as well. So let's go and see what objections he got and what we are focusing today. Today our focus is only going to be finance. So let's go on our laptop. Okay, so as we are right now on the refusal letter, this student basically has applied for the Apple Tech. You can see from the date 19th of January 2024. I cannot show you the name because something is personal, and this refusal letter is only to give you motivation so that your case should not be refused. Okay, so here he got nearly all the refusals, but our focus is basically about the finance. You can see the finance evidence provided is deemed insufficient or incomplete. No personal financial documents has been submitted in respect of applicants. This thing we need to cover, and we need to cover this 10,000 requirements. That what are the 10,000 requirements? In my last video, I've already explained. But to show you the refusal letters, that what the refusal letter comes and what you need to give in an appeal once you're submitting your appeals. Here it is clearly mentioned 10,000 for each subsequent years of your studies, in addition to secure to course fees for each of those years. Alternatively, a secure and demonstrated source of funds to cover these amounts must be shown. This is our main focus today. A secure and demonstrated source of funds. See here, insufficient financial summary form has been submitted as part of this application. You can read all about this. Okay, my main focus is that if you are showing your bank statements for graduation or undergraduate course, it means your course is either 3 years or 4 years, then you must need to show this 10, 10, 10, 3 times or 4 times. If you are coming for master, then because your course is only for 1 year, directly buy this educational bond for 10,000, so that they know that you are literally coming for study, you have got money, you can show them the proof. And if you are coming for a graduation course, then you submit your bank statement, as well as the first 10,000 euro you should buy the educational bond. Okay, so here is the alternative evidence of finance degree programs students only. It means from level 7 to level 10. Level 10 is basically PhD. It is starting from level 7 means from 3 years of graduation, then 4 years, and then master courses level 9. So you can clearly see here, you can read it because you know English very well, and that's why you're coming to study in Ireland. It's educational bond here. Okay, and see here, a degree allow degree program students only to provide an alternative to bank statement as a method of proof of finance. This is literally, guys, remember, this is going to make your case very strong. There's very less chance of your visa refusal on the basis of finance if you buy educational bond. Okay, here's a link on how to buy. The link, simply click this, you will be on another page. Okay, here is a page. register your payment. There's a video complete.
Transformate Education. How to make a payment. Making a payment with Transformate is
So you can listen by clicking this link by yourself. The link will be given in the description. Go through yourself. Okay, it's very easy form. Okay, coming back again on our topic. So this is literally advice. Go through this link and buy educational bond. See here, the type of courses and colleges eligible. If you want to search your course of eligible colleges as well and the courses, you need to click the ILAP interim list of eligible program. If you want to search that what are the courses eligible for Irish visa or the colleges, okay, you can click on this link and check yourself. Okay, we can make another video on ILAP, but these are the courses. Ordinary bachelor's degree level 7, 3 years. Honors bachelor's degree level 8 for 4 years. Then again, this is high diploma, postgraduate, they all are level 9. And finally, doctorate level 10. So go through this link, okay, buy this educational bond and get your visa done. Okay, so as we are now towards the end of our video, that was a complete guide. I've shown you the refusal letter as well, refusal reasons as well. In this video, we've covered final refusal reason about the finance, about the financial documents. So it's up to you now how you are making satisfying your immigration officer or visa officer to give you visa on the basis of finance. Remember one thing again, it is up to you to make your visa officer understood that you are coming for study because you got money. So buy your educational bond and get your visa done. Thank you. See you in the next video for another refusal reason. Bye-bye.